Hello, today we are going to discuss how to change language. The differences in language shouldn't be affecting your business. With the multiple language support, you can access our platform functionalities in your mother tongue and the language that you are familiar with. So this option is available into software, that is in users, where you need to click on the user and there will be option to change language. So to change the language, you need to click on change language option. So here into the list, there you will be find the language that you want to change it. So based on that, the selections of the change language, you can change the language of the user. That is now, for an example, when you click on the change language for a Spanish language, then onto the screen, you will be able to find all the words that will be translated into Spanish language. Now apart from that, if you want to set your own words, that can be done as well for understanding the platform. Let's take an example for the live tracking feed, where you will get and find the symbols for changing the words into the software, that is set your own translation word. That is, by clicking on the language translation, you will get an option for into the software where the properties and old translation information will be reflected and the new translation word that need to be entered over here. So based on the word that you need to translate into the software, that will be affected into software, and based on selection of the for all the screen checkmark option, this will be affected in whole application. So based on this translation word, when you save this record, this word that you have entered over here will be affected into the software and will be translated into the word that you need to use it in software. So likewise, when you find this symbol into the software, it will represent to change the language translation into the software, that is to change your own word. Let's check on the dashboard. That is on the dashboard, you will find these options as well, where you can set your words, and likewise for the old translated word will be reflected over here. And based on that, this option is available onto the reports as well, which I mentioned that this symbol will represent for changing the translation of the word on each and every screen. So now apart from this, if you want to change the module translation, that is tracking, report, chart, setting or general master, that option is available as well into the software. That is available into the user in the module translation. When you click on the module translation, you will find the words into the software, and based on that you can enter your new translation word, and by saving this record, the system will only represent you the word that you have entered in the software for your understanding. So this is how the changing of the language can be done into software, and you can translate the word as per your requirement and conveniency. Thank you.